everyone, in today's session we'll be seeing Cbse Class 8 Chapter 5 Coal and Petroleum. Coal and petroleum are natural resources. So what are natural resources? Resources that we obtain from nature are known as natural resources. Natural resources are classified into inexhaustible resources or renewable resources and exhaustible resources or non-renewable resources. Inexhaustible resources or renewable resources are resources which are abundantly present and are not going to be depleted. Example, wind, water and sunlight. Exhaustible resources or non-renewable resources are resources which are limited in supply and hence can be exhausted by human activities due to their overuse. Example, coal, petroleum and natural gas. Coal, petroleum and natural gas are exhaustible resources and hence are known as fossil fuels. So what are fossils? Dead remains of living organisms are known as fossils. And fuels such as coal, petroleum and natural gas which are formed from dead remains of living organisms are known as fossil fuels. Coal. Coal was formed by dead plants and vegetation which got buried under the earth, and due to intense heat and pressure, these plants got converted into coal. It took millions of years for the coal to be formed from the dead vegetation. And this process of dead plants getting converted into coal is known as carbonization. You can see the picture of coal here. It is very black and it is hard as a stone. Coal was previously used as a cooking fuel and was used to run the steam engine by the railways. Coal is still used in thermal power plants to produce electricity. Coal is processed in industry to get some useful products such as coke, coal tar and coal gas. Coke. You can see the picture of coke here. It looks very much like coal. Coke is obtained by heating coal for a long period of time. It is a pure form of carbon. So coke is a pure form of carbon. Coke is used in the manufacture of steel as well as a domestic fuel as well as in the extraction of iron and other metals. Coke hardly produces any smoke unlike coal and is a preferred fuel over coal because it hardly emits any harmful substances. Coal tar. You can see the image of coal tar here, which is a thick black liquid which is made up of about 200 substances. Products obtained from coal tar are used as a starting material in many industries like plastics, paints, photography, synthetic dyes, drugs, explosives, perfumes, and as well as roofing materials. Coal gas. Coal gas is obtained during the processing of coal to get coke. It is used as fuel in many industries near the coal processing plants. Coal gas was first used for street lighting for the first time in London in 1810 and in New York around 1820. Nowadays, it is used as a source of heat rather than light. Petroleum. Petroleum is also one of the fossil fuels which plays a very important role in the economy of the world. Petra means rock and oleum means oil, which means that petroleum is obtained between the rocks as you can see in the picture. Refining of petroleum. Petroleum is a dark oily liquid. It has an unpleasant odor. It is a mixture of various constituents such as petroleum gas, petrol, diesel, lubricating oil, paraffin wax, etc. The process of separating the various constituents or elements and fractions of the petroleum is known as refining. It is carried out in a petroleum refinery. Here you can see the image of petroleum refinery where the petroleum is separated into different constituents like petrol, kerosene, diesel, paraffin wax, etc. Petroleum is a fossil fuel. Like coal, which was obtained from dead plants and vegetation, petroleum is obtained from marine organisms that got buried under the earth millions of years ago and due to intense heat and pressure got converted into petroleum. Many useful substances are obtained from petroleum and natural gas. These are termed as petrochemicals. These are used in the manufacture of detergents, fibers such as polyester, nylon, acrylic, etc., polythene, and other man made plastics. Hydrogen gas obtained from natural gas is used in the production of fertilizers. Due to its great commercial importance, petroleum is also known as black gold. Now let's see the various components of petroleum and their uses. First, we have petroleum gas in liquid form, that is LPG. It is called liquefied petroleum gas, which is used as a fuel in homes and industries. We have petrol, which is used as a motor fuel, aviation fuel, and solvent for dry cleaning. We have kerosene, which is used as fuel for stoves, lamps, and for jet aircrafts. We have diesel, which acts as fuel for heavy motor vehicles and electric generator. Next, we have lubricating oil, which helps in the lubrication of machines and industries. Paraffin wax is used in ointments, candles, Vaseline, etc. Bitumen is used in paints and road surfacing. For road surfacing, previously coal tar was used, but now it's been widely replaced by bitumen. Natural gas. Natural gas is a fossil fuel which is obtained from dead living organisms. Natural gas is less polluting and is a much cleaner fuel. It is stored under high pressure as compressed natural gas or CNG. CNG is used for power generation as well as transport fuel. The great advantage of CNG is that it can be used directly for burning in homes and factories where it can be supplied through pipes. Such a network of pipelines exists in Vadodara, Gujarat, some parts of Delhi, and other places. Natural gas is used as a starting material for chemical and fertilizer industry. Natural gas has been found in Tripura, Rajasthan, Maharashtra, and in the Krishna Godavari Delta. We have to remember that coal, petroleum, and natural gas are fossil fuels and hence are very limited in supply. So it is very important for us to use them wisely and not to overuse them because they are going to be depleted soon. And we should switch to renewable resources of energy like solar energy, hydroelectric energy, and wind energy. Thanks for watching and please subscribe to our channel. And if you have any doubts, leave your comments in the comment section. Thank you.